Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize SugarCRM to sync contacts with Gmail. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SugarCRM account. On the main dashboard, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Email section and click on it. Scroll down to find the Gmail integration option. Click on the Authorize button next to Gmail integration. A new window will pop up prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Gmail email address and click Next. Afterward, input your password and click Next again. Review the permissions that SugarCRM is requesting. If everything looks good, click the Allow button to grant access. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to your SugarCRM account. Here, you should see a confirmation message indicating successful authorization. Now, return to the email section to configure the sync settings. You can choose sync preferences for contacts, calendars, and tasks as per your needs. After adjusting the settings, save your changes. You're now all set to sync your contacts between SugarCRM and Gmail. To check if the sync is working, try creating a new contact in SugarCRM. Verify that it appears in your Gmail contacts as well. If you encounter any issues, revisit the email settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. And that's it. You have successfully authorized SugarCRM to sync contacts with Gmail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.